I hope to capture the full range here. This one can turn this way fully, but I'm trying not to. There you go. You can tilt up, tilt down, turn it back. My HDMI cables aren't wired for that right now, for the turning vertically, so I try not to. Full range here all around. Tilt up, make it straight, come out, twist, turn. Epic. I love these.
One hooked up on the bottom for the left monitor, and then on the top of it for the top monitor. And then this one's just a separate stand, so the double HUANUO Dual Monitor Stand. One can go on top of the other, so it's perfect for this type of setup. User.
Okay. Next time, just move your arm more. There we go. There. So then you can see it better. That it just swings. Because your arm was kind of blocking it.